Well, it hasn't got here yet. It's cold and windy. Just update you before the snow comes here. Now this is before and after the snow. It's right now at 3 o'clock, Thursday. So, it's supposed to start snowing by 7, it says, and we're under blizzard warning, so I will update you once it starts snowing. We'll see what we get. Then we'll go out here, but it's snowing now. It is now almost 7 o'clock, and I don't know, it's just starting to come down. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, a little bit on the deck there. Oh, I hate winter. It's that time of the night, and it's just wind blowing from the north, really cold, sleeting. Some snow right here. Icy. Really windy from the north. Not really doing much. Okay, I have not looked out, guys. I just woke up. It's 10:30. Oh my god. It's not as bad as I thought, or is it bad? It's still windy. Huh, I sprayed my house. I mean, it's not deep, but I think I could get my car out, but I don't want to. Icy too. Yeah, it did snow a lot more than I thought it would. Oh shit, I'm gonna snow over, but yeah, it is a blizzard warning out there, not kidding. I'm gonna have to. Oh boy. Well, I'll upload this video to you guys and show you now. I didn't want to wake up. Alright. Well, I hope you don't have snow where you live, but I sure do. South Dakota. That's for South Dakota for you. Thanks for watching.